And I know that Minister Calandra has been working directly with the CEO of Markham Stouffville Hospital to address the situation. And I have to thank Dr. Jane Philpott for putting on the scrubs and coming back to the front line. Thank you, Jane. My friends, we all recognize how hard it is to be working on the front lines right now. I know that it takes a tremendous strain on people. But we have to look after the most vulnerable. We have a duty to take care of those who cannot look after themselves. We need to stick together. We need to stay the course. I know it's difficult, but this virus is ruthless and is deadly. Our frontline heroes have our backs, and we must have theirs. And that means giving them the tools they need. This is something I've been laser focused on, and we're making progress in procuring critical medical supplies and equipment to back up our frontline workers. We now have masks, gloves, and ventilators. And over the past 5 days, we've acquired more than 13 million surgical masks, including a shipment of over 7 million masks this morning, 200,095 masks, and 38 ventilators, with much more on the way. And over the past few weeks, we've shipped supplies to more than 650 organizations needing supplies across the province. In fact, this weekend, for every long-term care facility that requested PPE, we acted immediately, and most supplies were delivered within 24 hours. This weekend alone, we delivered over 6.5 million surgical masks to hospitals, long-term care homes, and retirement homes across the province. We're getting thousands of donations every day, thousands of offers to help from grassroots organizations like Conquer COVID-19, from institutions like Queen's Universities, where students and researchers who are working hard to invent and build a low-cost ventilator, from people who just want to do the right thing, like the anonymous donation of 3,500 masks and 20 cases of hand sanitizer dropped off at Minister Clark's constituency office in Brockville. But there's still much more to be done. As Canadians, we need to have each other's backs. And our neighbors in Alberta have committed to ship a generous donation of supplies and equipment. That includes 250,095 masks, 2.5 million procedural masks, 15 million gloves, 87,000 goggles, and 50 ventilators. I want to thank my good friend, Premier Jason Kenney, and the people of Alberta for this generous donation. By standing together, united, by being part of Team Canada, because I've seen what we can do when we come together in the face of adversity. We always answer the call. We're always ready to help. And this pandemic is no exception. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario.